The cost of living in the U.S. just hit a new high in 2025. Everything from rent to groceries is more expensive. And if you're a freelancer or someone trying to make ends meet, it can feel like the money just disappears the moment it hits your account. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the new rules of budgeting for 2025. Rules that can help you save money, plan smarter, and actually enjoy life without stress. In the past, budgeting meant just tracking your expenses and cutting back here and there. But 2025 is different. Inflation, unpredictable expenses, and the freelance lifestyle demand a smarter, more adaptive approach. You can't just live paycheck to paycheck anymore. You need a strategy that works with modern living, because the old methods, they're outdated and frankly, they won't save you. So what are these new rules? First, it's about tracking money with precision, not just rounding up your expenses. Second, it's about flexible budgeting, because freelance income isn't consistent like a traditional paycheck. And third, it's about smart automation, letting technology help you save without even thinking about it. Let's dive in. Step 1. Tracking every dollar. It sounds simple, but most freelancers underestimate their spending. Divide your expenses into categories like rent, groceries, utilities, subscriptions, and even small treats like coffee or lunch deliveries. Studies show untracked expenses can cost freelancers thousands annually. By tracking every dollar, you'll see exactly where your money goes and find hidden savings you never knew existed. Step 2. Flexible budgeting. Unlike traditional employees, freelancers don't get a fixed paycheck. One month you may earn $6,000, the next $3,000. That's why rigid budgeting fails. Instead, calculate your minimum monthly needs, rent, groceries, utilities, and always save a buffer. Then allocate extra income for lifestyle, savings, or debt payoff. This approach keeps your finances stable, even when income is unpredictable. Step 3. Automation. In 2025, you don't have to manually transfer money to savings or investments. Apps can do it for you automatically. Set up automatic transfers right after each payment hits your account. This removes the temptation to spend, and over time, it compounds into a significant nest egg. Smart automation is like having a personal finance assistant who never sleeps. Step 4. Strategic spending. This is where most people fail. They pay full price for everything without even realizing alternatives exist. In 2025, you must negotiate, whether it's rent, internet bills, or freelance contracts. Online tools let you compare prices instantly, and small negotiations like asking your landlord for a small discount or negotiating project rates can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest or use for emergencies. Step 5. Always have an emergency fund. Freelancers know that unexpected expenses, medical bills, equipment repair, or sudden client cancellations can wreck your finances. Your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses, and your income buffer should be enough to ride out low-earning months. Think of it as your safety net, because in 2025, stability is built on preparation, not luck. Step 6. Taxes. Freelancers often forget how critical this is. The IRS expects quarterly payments, and missing them can cost penalties. But here's the good news. You can legally reduce taxable income by deducting home office expenses, software subscriptions, travel costs, and even part of your internet bill. Using apps like QuickBooks or consulting with a tax professional ensures you keep more of what you earn rather than giving it away to mistakes. Step 7. Make your money work for you. Saving is important, but investing is essential. Even small, regular investments in ETFs, index funds, or retirement accounts can grow exponentially over time. And don't ignore side income. Freelancers have a huge advantage. Skills you already have can create extra revenue streams. Courses, consulting, or digital products can bring in steady money, making budgeting easier and giving you financial freedom faster. Let me give you a real example. Sarah, a graphic designer in New York, used these exact rules. She started tracking every expense, automated her savings, negotiated her contracts, and invested smartly. Within 1 year, she not only built a 6-month emergency fund, but also increased her income by 25%, all without working extra hours. That's the power of strategic budgeting in 2025. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom, control, and making your money work for you. So, there you have it, the new rules of budgeting for 2025, designed for freelancers and anyone navigating the rising cost of living. Start with precision tracking, move to flexible budgeting, automate your savings, and don't forget strategic spending, emergency funds, taxes, and smart investing. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with friends who need to take control of their money in 2025. Your financial freedom starts today.